Now we're ready to set up the zooming feature because we want it to rotate around this image and then rotate back in the opposite direction. If you're not sure what I mean, please check out my Prezi linked on the second PowerPoint slide. It shows you the link to the Prezi. You can work through it and see how it rotates. So I'm ready to set up a rotation. So I want to go into animation. So I clicked on insert, animation, and it gives you a box. I want to start, so I'm going to hit standard, add a zoom area. I'm going to start with Metamorphic Rock. It doesn't matter which one you start with. Now, Metamorphic Rock happens to be twisted or turned upside down. So I want to make sure it zooms the correct way. But let me show you what happens if you don't do that first. So I inserted my zoom. Now I hit present. I go forward. Metamorphic Rock is written upside down. I don't want that. That's hard to read. So this zoom box that I made, I have to rotate it. Control, Alt, go to an edge, and now I can rotate it around. And then maybe I want to shrink it in a little bit, shift it. Okay, I rotated it. Let's see what it looks like now. Present. Let's go back to the very beginning. Perfect. Now it's right side up. Okay, let's keep going. Let me add 2 more zoom boxes because I wanted to go from metamorphic, read the process, and then go to igneous rock. So I want to show the process next, then igneous rock. So I hit the zoom button again. I want to add another zoom area. I want to put it in the right area. I got to rotate it. I got to shrink it because it's way too big. Make it even smaller. Maybe rotate it a little bit more. Okay, so that's my second zoom. So after I zoom in here, it should move over to this arrow line. And then I want a third zoom that puts it over the rock, igneous rock. So I'm gonna hit zoom. Add zoom area. And I have to tilt this one a little bit as well. It's a little big, so I'm gonna make it a little smaller. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Let's start at the very beginning. There goes Metamorphic Rock. Oh, oops, wrong way. Sorry, Metamorphic Rock. Moves over to melts into magma, then it solidifies, and then it becomes igneous rock. You want to complete that pattern. Keep going around in the circle till you get to sedimentary rock, then back to metamorphic, and then allow it to rotate or tell it to rotate in the opposite direction so we can see the processes that takes it backwards.